Alright, back out here on the line, got Jim flying his Spitfire E-Flight. Is this E-Flight or Parkzone? Parkzone?
Parkzone.
Okay. Pretty cool morning. About a 4 mile an hour breeze coming in out of the north. It's about 119 degrees below zero, at least by Texas standards, which means it's about 35. Here he goes. Nice smooth takeoff, Jim.
There's a Canadian website that has veterans of World War II. I can't think of the name of it. And one guy got checked out in a hurricane. He just got there from Canada to England and never flown one. And they said there was a non-flying instructor who was walking around the airplane telling them everything. And he said, I was not impressed, okay? So
try to keep her in real tight with us.
Okay. And at the end of the class, everybody actually got to fly one. He said that was probably the best landing anybody ever makes is the first flight. And
He say why?
the first landing is the best landing you'll ever make in one.
But why?
He said the rest of them were just a controlled crash.
Probably because that first one you're nervous and you're doing everything by the book.
And he said the rest of it after that, it was just a controlled crash.
Sorry.
Anyway, I thought it was really funny the way he put it. But he was not impressed with the guy showing him everything on the airplane. You know, don't do this, this is how you land it, check this, do that. And he said everyone made really good. He made a really great landing. He said that was probably the best landing he ever made in one. He said the rest of them, like I said, was a controlled crash. And I thought, I know the feeling. We've been up longer than I thought.
Well, I tell you what, your little Parkzone Spitfire is what inspired me to put my E-Flight Spitfire together. And I think my Spitfire is probably one of the better flying planes I've ever flown.
I thought about getting rid of this, but I like flying it. It's a good flying airplane.
Yeah.
And it's one you can grab, take out first out of your box and fly it out here. And it won't make you nervous.
Right? Give us a inverted flight with a tail about 4 feet off the ground.
Okay. Sold, right? With your airplane? No, it's an easy plane to fly. It looks good in the air. It's got retracts. I had to keep putting off putting the retracts in. I got to order new struts and get them where they're 2 minutes. Okay.
What's retracts going to run?
They came with it.
No, I mean to put them in.
Nothing.
Oh, you already have them. Oh, okay. All right.
I paid $90 for it with retracts.
Well, why did you take the retracts out?
Because they were bent in that first flight. Don't you remember?
I'm an old man. I'm an old man with old man memory. You know I'm not going to remember that.
About 6 inches on takeoff. So.
Oh, that's right. You come flying over here towards the
all messed up.
Towards the fence.
Work, but they've been bent. So I ordered or found it at Roy's conversion kit to make it just what I got on it.
Right.
And I need to order new struts for it.
Give us a touch and go.
No, let's bring her in. I got right at a minute to go.
I remember you're on 3000 though.
Huh?
You're on a 3000 battery. And it's a borrowed battery, so you can fly it until it just doesn't fly no more and puff the battery. Nice, silky smooth.